Hello! So today we're going to Pingnam Waterfalls. So we are here at Funling MTR station. So I have my guest for today, Ate Megs, Ate Rosie. Igutom ka, Ate Rosie?
I'm hungry.
So we are here at exit E2. This is the way going to the bus terminal. So we are now queue up for the bus here. Pwede na, pasta. So going there, the fare is $7.25. Let's go up. So we are waiting for at least 20 minutes and we are now boarding at the bus. Hi Ate Rosie, Ate Megs. Let's go now.
And then we're walking, going to Locking Road. This is the Locking Road.
So today the weather is good, a little bit sunny and a little bit windy, so it's perfect for hiking. So from here, Wilson Trail stage number 10, you are going there. Let's go. Okay, here, so don't get confused between right way and left because we are actually going to the left side. Is a toilet over here. Take your time. don't recommend you to come here if the weather is not good because the place is terrible. You can also take pictures in here. So just follow the rocks going up. So don't forget to follow the ribbons in here going up. A lot of, you can choose a lot of area where you can swim in here, but make sure that it's safety to swim, like a lot of big stone or big rock. So we see clear water here, this part, and we decided to swim in here. But we need to go up for more clear waterfalls. Let's go. This is the small pool, but you can still swim in there. Actually, it's a little bit deeper. So they are my buddies. And here is going up. Let's try to see what's in there up. Second pool where I very like it because the water is so clear, and absolutely the place is amazing. Welcome to the Pinglam second pool.